Today's video topic is how to apply vintage monochrome effect on your photos. So first go to the basic section. Click on the profile browser icon. Click on the B&W. Click on basic. Click on the monochrome preset effect. Click on the close button. Next, click on the B&W section. Reduce orange to -42. Increase yellow to +22. Reduce green to -18. Reduce blue to -47. Reduce purple to -7. After that, we will apply a vintage effect from preset. From the left side, click on preset. Next, click on style vintage. Click on VN01. Now look, the photo is now vintage monochrome. Thanks for watching the video.